everyone, welcome back to Precious Now YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about IELTS Academic Writing Task 2. Now, in the previous video, we have already gone through Academic Task 1 and also you have seen the example. Now we are going to deal about what is all about Task 2, and this needs a lot of time for practice because this is a lengthy essay. Also in your examination, please spare your time for the Task 2 essay because this takes a lot of time than Task 1. Because in Task 1 you will be given the information at your glance. Here you have to think and frame and write the essay properly. Okay, right. Academic task, writing task 2. It's all about writing an essay of 250 to 270 words. Again, there is no penalty if you write extra words. Only if you write less than 250, the answer will not be considered. Your task or your writing or the essay will not at all be considered if you have written less than 250. Okay. What is the essay about? What you are going to have in the essay? You will be having advantages or disadvantages. You will have agree or disagree, or you will also be asked about some give your opinions type of questions. Okay, also there will be no choice in your questions. There will be only one question given to you and you have to answer that. The word count, as I've mentioned, it is 250 to 270 words, not less than 250. Mind it. No penalty for overwriting. And now let us look about the format of the essay task 2. In your task 2, you will be having number 1 is the introduction part. Number 2, you will be stating the main idea. You will be please read the question twice before writing the essay. I suggest to all the students out there, read the question properly. Okay, number 2 is the main idea, or state the reason what you're going to talk about. Okay, instead of just writing it blindly, please make sure you read the question properly. Pick your side of the argument and state that in your second paragraph. Number 3 is explanation of your idea. If the question is something about education should be given at a free of cost, do you agree or disagree? So if you agree to the point, take that point into consideration, state it in your second paragraph, explain it in your third paragraph. If you disagree with that point, take the disagree point and then do it accordingly. Okay, and in the conclusion part, make sure you are justifying both of your opinions, your opinion and also the question opinion. If you have disagreed to the point, make sure you're justifying some point to the agreeable part. Okay, so you have to justify your answer accordingly. Okay, now we are going to look at the example of writing task 2. This is just an example for your reference. Let us see the question, what it is given. Parents should not pressure their children to choose a particular profession. Young people should be given the freedom to choose a career path they like. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Now this question is about agree or disagree point. Okay, so now firstly what you should do is divide the question, understand the question. This is the two main things which you have to do. The question is speaking about children choosing their profession and also about giving freedom to the children. Okay, these are the two main points. Third main point is about agree and disagree, not about advantages or disadvantages. Read this part of the question very properly and very carefully. Okay, so there are 3 sections in your question. Okay, now how would you divide this? The first part you want to take up, or the second part, and then choose one. Either you will be writing about the freedom which you have to give, or you are talking about parents' point of view. Okay, you can choose either of that, or then you can justify the answer accordingly. We are going to see now the format of the essay, the paragraphs that you have to write, the words that you have to use in this example. Okay, read along with me, and so that you can also know the new words. If you don't have used any words, you will also come across the using of new words according. So read with me and you will also know. Okay, some parents may worry that pushing their children towards a particular career could be harmful. So this is a very basic statement that some parents usually think the benefit of the child. Okay, so they have mentioned this is a statement. This is a statement which is given. While I agree, you will be giving your point of view. As I have told you, you can choose either of the one and you can state your opinion. You can mention yourself in the essay and it is not a negative side. While I agree, it is unwise to determine a child's profession, parents should still offer guidance through open communication. Okay, so you are disagreeing to the point. Okay, now this whole set of statement gives you will first give the statement of what the essay is about, and in the second part you will be giving the reader a clarity that what you have chosen. Either you have chosen to agree to give freedom to the children or you have disagreed to give freedom to the children. You can choose anything. So also remember, one of the most frequent doubts that students have is if you disagree to the point, you might lose marks or what. No, that is not going to happen. Even if you agree or disagree, even if you justify the answer, anything will count the same marks and your skills. I mean, the marking criteria will be given upon the writing skills, upon the phrase usage, the word usage, and how well you are presenting the essay rather than which part you are picking up the essay. Okay, please take it off your mind and just focus on your presentation. Okay, we have finished the first paragraph. Now we are going to see the second paragraph, which you will be giving the overview or your idea of how you want to present it. Right, young people need the freedom to make the choices, especially when it comes to their own careers. Again, you have started the paragraph with a statement. Also remember that you can use quotes, you can use any poetry line if you wish to. You can state any author if you know, if you're a good reader, and you can, if you want to compare any of the author or their writings in your essay, you can definitely do that. There is no negative marking for that. Okay, and don't think that you have to keep mentioning so many quotes and that will not help you out. Mention one or two quotes, that is enough. Don't mention too many quotes or too many writings of some other authors in your essay. Just mention one or two and try to compare it with your essay. Only then you mention your quotes. Okay, just like that, don't mention it. When you can compare something or the writings of another author in your essay, only then try to mention it. Okay, using the words like ultimately will help you give a spark or a spotlight to your essay. Okay, it's just like a connector kind of word to your essay. Okay, ultimately most parents hope that their children will be financially secure. So you are talking from your point of view and also the parents' point of view. Okay, it's kind of like justifying the question. Deep down, some parents may also want the children to choose their prestigious careers or jobs that will impact society in some way. These wishes are normal, necessary and harmful, yet, the word yet. Here you have used the word ultimately and here we are using the word yet. Okay, it can be problematic if these desires turn into firm expectations. Okay, the whole of this essay, the paragraph, is justifying to the question from parents' point of view and also your giving your opinion at one stretch. Third paragraph, which is the most important paragraph, where you will be stressing out on your strong opinion. You'll be notifying your opinion in the first place. Okay, yet again you have used the connecting word for the previous paragraph to the paragraph here. Yet offering a child's freedom doesn't only imply that the parent should be absent. Okay, so this essay is taken into justification. It is not like either agree or disagree at a strong base. It is like justifying both agree and disagree points of view. Okay, parents should be striving to foster open communication. Okay, now here how you will be giving the strong agreement to this, how you will be giving your justification. It all depends on how you have to mention the reasons why you are agreeing to this, or reasons why you are justifying to the statement, that why the parents should give freedom or not, or children should take their own careers. Okay, if you are justifying the statement or agreeing or disagreeing anything, give your reasons appropriately. Whole of this paragraph will be about your reasons, about why you are taking that part of your agreement. Now, this is your concluding paragraph, which is, in conclusion, even parents should avoid pressuring their children. So this is the very common factor which all the students or all the children face, which is they get pressured by the parents, and this is the very natural thing which happens. So I have mentioned it here that it is a very common factor about pressuring children, and even you can add some common facts and factors that society runs today. Pressuring the students follow specific career paths, and they should abandon such discussions. Parents should also strive to create an environment about caring the guidance and open communication. So on the whole, it is all about justifying parents' side and also children's side, together giving accurate reasons. Okay, so this is all for today's video, and I hope that you have got at least a basic idea of what you have to write in your IELTS task 2. Please make sure to comment down below if you have any doubts or need any clarifications. Share it with your friends, whoever is practicing for IELTS or going to take IELTS. Hope this will be helpful, and also like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more learning of everything. Happy learning, everybody. Thank you.